In this video, I'm going to show you how to import passwords to Bitwarden. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to the left-hand side, and where it says Tools, you want to click on it, and then you want to go to Import. Now, inside the Import section over here, you can then first select the vault. So here, I'm going to just put it at My Vault, and then you have to also select the folder. So if you have multiple, you'll be able to select your folder over here, and then here is where you can select your data you would like to import. Now, mind you, there's a bunch of different file formats you can use here, and as you can see, there's like the common formats, and then you have the less common formats, and there's a bunch of different ones you can actually import into Bitwarden. So of course, just find the one that you want to import. So for me, I'm just going to do the Bitwarden CSV over here, but of course you can do whichever one you want and is relevant to you. You want to click on that, and in case you are unsure how to actually get that for your specific file format, you can click on over here. So whenever you click on a format, you'll be able to click on over here, and it's going to show you exactly how you can get this, and it's going to be a step-by-step guide that will guide you how to basically import that specific file format. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. Again, I do have the Bitwarden CSV over here, and then you have to choose your file. I'm just going to click on choose file over here. It's going to open up your files, and I'm going to open up this one where I just have some random tutorial passwords in there, and I'm going to click on open, and it's going to get imported in here. Now, mind you, this is just a random file I have generated over here for the sake of this tutorial, but of course, if you do have the right file, it will work perfectly. In here, you can also copy and paste the import file contents in case you don't want to basically import it like that, or for example, it doesn't work or something like that, and then you can just click on the import button, and that's all you have to do. As you can see here, data was successfully imported, and I now have basically 5 logins and 1 folder. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.